Guy, make I ask you one very serious question. You dey learn cybersecurity, but anytime when you open your laptop like this, everything they look you like film trick. Everything just be like gbogbo ni share for your eye. Linux they look you, Kali they look you. Terminal they blink eye they look you like say you want ask for your birth certificate. Fear don't they catch you. You can't carry yourself go YouTube. One person they shout today we are going to exploit a vulnerable machine. But before you know what's happen, the person don't type like 47 commands. He don't open Bob suits. He don't run Nmap. He still waka enter Metasploit. He drink water. He drag shell. He escalate privilege. And then he can't end the video with very simple. I just dey remember waiting my students they talk for my full stack development class. If I hear they talk simple, so they say, boss, it's not simple. But it is not simple for who actually. Now, this is the reason why exploit forge they very important with this. I cannot overemphasize this matter. Exploit forge na training ground for people who want to learn real cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing, and how attackers they actually think. But at least in a structured, practical, and yes, beginner-friendly way. No be say they'll come they teach you motivational cybersecurity. Mo no mention name now, no them abi. No be say that they talk say cybersecurity is the future, up and down, up and down. No, because actually cybersecurity is na hands-on learning. You go actually learn how to scan systems. You go understand waiting vulnerabilities mean. You go understand them. You go safely practice exploitation. You go learn web security, network security, Linux, even privilege escalation. You go even learn report writing and even how to think like a security personnel. As I put personnel now, you go to say na security for back. I just say security professional. But make I tell you true, you don't fit become cybersecurity professional by saving Instagram videos. No. You don't go fit defend systems if you don't understand how attackers break them. So exploit forge go fit help you from waiting be IP address to okay, this service is exposed. You see, the language don't change. Or this version have a known vulnerability. That one so na serious growth. And the sweet thing be say no be for inside confusion. They go set up labs for you. You go get serious guidance. You go get serious practical tasks. Many, many things. If you never join waitlist, go join now for academy.exploitforge.com. I go put on somewhere for this video. You go see them. Because cybersecurity without structure, if like say you dey enter Lagos traffic, we no get Google map. No try am. So whether you be beginner, junior developer, IT professional, student or that person we don't watch Mr. Robot finish, and now you don't think say you be hacker. Exploit forge go help you build that correct foundation. But make am clear, this one no be for people who want do crime or no be for. I trust Exploit Forge. I don't see things where they put in place, so I don't even need to bother. So join Exploit Forge today. Bye.